What you say? That you only meant well. Well, of course you did. What you say? That is all for the best. Yeah. Megan joined in with us this time.
Welcome back, guys, to Cheese of the Month. This time to the What's in the Fridge edition. Mysteries. But yeah, so 5 of 6 of these are all mystery lunch meats. I mean, right now I can see them and I can tell what they are, but I'm going to be doing a blind taste test. And then I'll try and guess what they are, and then I'll tell you what they actually are afterwards. Cheese! And so this one is the super mystery cheese. I don't know if you can see.
I feel like we should be playing K-pop in the background. Choky, 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 wah. Choky, choky, wah, wah. Choky, 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 wah. Can you taste it? Can you taste it? And we're back to doing K-pop references.
And now,
welcome. Yes.
Dun dun. The blindfold. No, this isn't anything kinky. This is just for food.
It's for food. Megan will be wearing her blindfold while taste testing these cheeses. All right, in that case, let's get started.
Okay, Allison, what's she gonna be eating today? Ooh, that looks like cheese.
She's gonna be eating some cheese.
Ooh, cheese, please.
All right, all the cheese has to make it to your mouth.
Okay.
Can't look, can't smell.
Is it Monterey Jack or is it just Monterey? I don't know.
That was, in fact, the Monterey.
Oh,
doo! All right, well that was easy. Let's see how it goes from here. Oh. What is it? Is it cheese?
I think that one's the Colby. The Colby cheese.
That is incorrect.
Oh no! Wait.
And we're not going to tell you what that one was.
Until the end.
Until the end.
That's fair.
Mostly because it wasn't cheese. Oh! If you don't know this one, you're ejected from the game.
I'm so gross by myself. And this is what we put on children's sandwiches.
Garbage.
Garbage. That was the American. That was a Kraft single.
Not
good
like
time,
this.
though.
It looks terrible and it tastes terrible.
It does.
Kraft. Have a happy sandwich. All right, next one up. It's better just get it over with.
That one I think was the mystery cheese.
Ooh, that is also
Incorrect. No, Swiss cheese.
It is the Swiss, correct.
Oh, coming back with the win.
Strategically feeding it to you directly after the American. To cleanse that palate from the garbage.
That makes sense. Mmm. That one's the mystery cheese. I'm ready.
It's the final cheese slice. Cheese. Is the cheese in your mouth or is it gum? Take a reflection of the gum.
So then this is the Colby question mark? So the other one was cheddar?
Yep. Oh, keen sense of mouth you have.
I was mostly right.
Oh.
Okay.
You missed cheddar. Now for the finale of the What's in the Fridge option, gotta give a quick shout out to Clovertop Creamery. It's another local goat cheese creamery. They had 4 different kinds of Chèvre at the farmer's market this week. But I was curious to see what you thought of this one.
Mm-hmm.
Like, first of all.
Yeah, see I smelled it earlier when you were opening it. And it kind of smells like sour cream.
Yeah, I could see that.
Like, but not like sour cream, like sour cream and onion chips.
Okay,
That kind
yeah.
of. Like sour cream and onion dip, like for Lay's chips.
Oh, yeah, I could see that.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ding.
Ding. Ding.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
This stuff is good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
It's in on the Albemarle County side apparently, but it's close to North Garden.
Nice. So that's probably a shorter drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool. Guessing game is fun. Got some good cheese. Discovered a new place that's local. Yay!
Foreshadowing.
Dun, dun. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time with other cheeses.
And more
Yay!
finger guns. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Hey.
Like and subscribe.
What you know? What you know? What you know about that?